Hi, it's Kate from Awakening Your Abundance Creatively, and I'm just doing some videos around the memes that I have been putting on Facebook in regards to affirmations. And the one that I want to talk about in this video is when you're manifesting, be clear, so don't mumble. And I have a great experience about this, and once I've told you this, you can look at your own life and you'll probably be able to connect the dots. I work in a cafe part-time, making cakes and slices, so it's very creative and I do enjoy it. And I had some time off work and I was working on the business and, doing a lot of research, more research around manifesting and creating memes for Facebook and doing all the fun stuff. And journaling a lot, that's my fun stuff. And I said out loud, and if you say them out loud, you're putting the energy out into the universe, so it works a lot faster and more efficiently. Universe, I would love to be able to do this all the time. And I developed shingles about a week and a half later. So I ended up having like 2.5 weeks off, but unfortunately I was too sick to be able to do anything in regards to the business wise. So you need to live and learn from that one. I should have been more specific and said, I would love to be able to do this full time, earning a wonderful income, being healthy and happy. But I missed out the last few things. And yeah, I got the shingles, and had so much time off. I could have done it full time, but I just did not have the energy. I was so sick. And, it was a real face palm. I can't believe that I've done this when I made the connection. So go back and over your life and just see, when have you said things out loud or really thought about things, and then, a few days later or a week down the track, something has manifested into your life in regards to that. So it could be a fear, it could be anything really. But yeah, have a think about it and see what you come up with. Happy manifesting.